Welcome to our full guide on how to add a debit card to your Fanduel account. Adding a debit card ensures quick and easy transactions, allowing you to focus on the fun of gaming. First, launch the Fanduel app or visit their website. Make sure you're logged into your account to get started. Next, navigate to the Account Settings menu, usually found at the top right corner of your screen. Look for the Payment Methods option and select it to proceed. Now, choose Add Debit Card from the list of available payment options. Enter your debit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Confirm the billing information associated with your debit card to ensure accuracy. Finally, verify all the card details and complete the process by hitting the Submit button. If you encounter any issues, common problems include incorrect card details or insufficient funds. Make sure to double-check your information. In conclusion, always keep your information secure and monitor your transactions regularly for a smooth experience on Fanduel.